Hello! In this video I'll just paint the body for Traxxas E-Revo. I buy ProGraphic's body with prepaint graphics, so painting will be really easy, because I'll use just one color. We got pre-painted and completely trimmed body and stickers into packet. I got here 3 different Traxxas body, one for a Revo 3.3 complete clear, so it's all on you to paint them. Then this one with pre-paint graphic details and need only base color to finish. And one for mini Revo taken from ready to run truck is completely painted. That sticker said that we need to wash all dirt and fingerprints out of inner side of body, so take a sponge and a bit of soap and wash the body. Use soft sponge, otherwise you can damage the pre-painting details, and then use a soft cloth to wipe them. Before painting I dry them a bit more with a hair dryer. Just in time before painting I noticed some fail on pre-paint graphic. It may be done while washing, because that graphic is pretty delicate to scratch, but I fixed them easily with permanent marker. It's ready to paint now. I take green color that time, but it looked like I was too excited for the result, so I forgot to hit rec button. Yes, I'm without first layer clip. All I got is this piece of nature, so I use a clip from a second layer, because process is same. As I say, it's very easy to finish that body. Simply grab your favorite color and spray the body from inner side, in thin layers. Really, spray them in thin layers. The paint is really liquid and transparent, so you got feeling like there's not enough paint yet. But there's quickly too much of them, so apply them really thin layers. This is the body after first layer. Paint is dry really quick, so we can apply second layer a few minutes later. Even if I apply thin layers, there's still some tiny fail. Fortunately, it's not visible from outside. Few minutes later, after paint is completely dry, I do nothing, just apply a second thin layer of basic paint. That's the body after second layer. The color is now much more contrasting, but for the best result we must apply one more layer of background paint. With background color we can reach some special effects. I don't know much about that body painting, but I know if we use a bright color like I do, we can expose them with white background color. If we use silver background paint, we got metallic base color. And for the best result on dark base color, use black background paint. I want to expose that light green base color, so I spray white background paint in thin layers. It's so hot right now that I don't need to even wait for paint to dry before apply second layer, so I can apply thicker layer at once. Body is now complete. All we must do is remove the outer protective film, which prevents the outside from getting over with unnecessary paint. And now the body shine and real color come out. Now we can apply stickers and the body is prepared to be broken. Just a few more details and that's it for today. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.